Well, hey everybody, I am here today not to work on this shovel, though I've gotten quite a little bit done. I'll show you more in another video, but it's getting almost done. I am here today because I got the incubator that I said I had gotten or bought. It came yesterday. I'll show a video on that, but I got this here deal. It's the lighter, you know, the cigarette lighter deal that I'm gonna put right here in this flat spot. Looks like a good spot to me and should fit in there pretty nice. But I gotta take the sprayer off and the seat off and this cover off and take everything off to get this cord that I don't believe is going to be long enough, but we're gonna see. And so I got to get it off so I can route everything back to the battery. So I'll go ahead and get all this stuff off, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got it tore apart. I went ahead and just so it'd be easier to see, I think that's where I'm going to put it. It looks pretty even. It looks like a little tighter here, but I should have maybe moved it this. Maybe I'll redo it. I don't know. But I put tape on there so I could see, and then I'm just going to use this hole saw. I just got lucky, and it is going to be the size I need. And then, but the wires aren't going to reach. Hey, there's something I just show you. It's one of the bicycle air pump, just in case I have a flat. But yeah, then I'll run this. I don't yet know where. Maybe I'll come from the winch. You know, the winch might not be too bad. Maybe I could come from there and have enough cord. It kind of looks like I might be able to. Maybe. Let's pretend there. You know, if I come from the winch solenoid, you know, so if I unhook it, maybe I'll be able to make it without cutting cords or anything. But there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it. I think after I get it installed, maybe I'll bathe this thing maybe. But there we go. I think I'm gonna move that. I don't quite like where I have it, so but I'll come back when I have some things drilled and so forth. Thanks. Okay, I'm back. This is how I run it. I don't know if I like this. It's got a light in there. 2 little LEDs inside there. I don't know if I like that. It'd be a constant drain on this battery, but that's where I put it. Fits in there like so. I got to get a pigtail, like a cigarette deal. Make a pigtail so I could go on this, and then instead of having this big old long cord, I can just have a little short one to reach that. And this, I just run the wire right up through here. I don't know if I like it, but it was easier than trying to go underneath all this stuff. And I kind of zip tied it to the gas tank vent, and then, like I said, I come down and put it right into the oh crud, winch dealie. Just power side and negative side to the whole thing. And so now I'm going to put it back together, and yeah, now I got my cigarette lighter, and if I don't like that light, I'll figure out how to break it. I don't know how to do that, but I suppose I could always just poke those or something, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I hope you guys like how this looks. I'll go ahead and put it back together, and I don't know. Yeah, that's, I guess I could have just filmed the whole thing putting it together, but it didn't take that long. In fact, it was really easy. But anyway, I hope everybody has a good week. Yeah, if you haven't seen out the bucket thingy, I'll be putting that up. Probably I'll get some more metal this week on it. But it's getting pretty close to done. I don't know if I like it or not, but hopefully it'll just work. Anyway, I want to make a video on my new incubator. Never had an incubator, so we'll just see how that goes. But anyway, here's putting in the power cord for a spotlight, a cell phone charger, a weed sprayer power source, a GoPro power source, just anything a person might need right there. Anyway, love y'all. Hope you have a blessed week, and thanks for watching, and subscribe, and see you on the flip side.